Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you about tips and tricks in Redmi A4 5G smartphone. So let's uh, open the settings. Trick number 1, open settings. You have to go to this additional settings, and here you can see video toolbox. When you just open it, if you want a side toolbox, like if you want to open the app immediately, then you have to enable this in-game shortcuts and video toolbox. You have to enable all these, and you can manage gaming apps like from here. Like these are the games I have just enabled this all, and here it is manage video apps. Here are these, you have to enable it, and when you just open the YouTube, it will show the video toolbox. I show you what is the toolbox. When you just swipe right hand side, like let's open the YouTube, and just you have to swipe like this, and you can see the video toolbox over here. From here you can record, screenshot and cast, and you can change the settings from here, like manage gaming apps and these. And let's move on to the trick number 2. Friends, second trick, you have to open this settings, and it is a game turbo additional settings. Then you will see game turbo. You have to enable it, and when you just enable it, you will see a good experience while you are just playing the game. You can see there are lots of games here, and it is showing the battery, CPU, and both are CPUs. And you can change the settings from here, like just enable this game turbo in-game shortcuts, so you can do advanced features. And here it is remove added games performance. You can just enable and disable like this. You can see answer calls hands free. If you are playing game and suddenly there is a call, you can just tap on the call, and you can answer call hands free. Let's move on to the trick number 3, glance for MI. So first let's open the settings, then you have to scroll down. You will see lock screen. Here it is glance for MI, and here it is for MI. You will see here you have to just simply you can see here it is turn off, and from here you can turn on. When you just turn on it, you will see just turn off the screen and turn on it. You will see every time you just open your phone, you will see a new wallpaper. Sometimes it is not showing here, but after some times it will show, and you will have to simply, you can see there are lots of wallpaper here also. You can see how frequency, so you can see every 2 image and every 4th image you can choose it, and you can choose the category of image that is showing. Okay, uh, let's move on to the 4th trick, how you can share your files very quickly through quick share in your smartphone. I will show you. So first let's open the files by Google, and you can see you can search it in the Play Store also, and here it is. Let's type here files by Google. Here it is, and you select the image first like this. Click on share. You will see quick share. When you just open it, you have to turn on the Bluetooth. Then it is looking for the nearby devices. When the device show up on here, you have to just tap on it, and it will quickly share in few seconds. You no need to have to arrange for a wire or something to just transfer the file. It is very quick through Bluetooth. Let's move on to the 5th setting. How you can fifth is how you can solve your problems, like any problem. If there is a virus or anything threat in your phone, then you have to just go to this, and you will see there are lots of common features. You can see this, hide apps, app lock, delete APK files, you have to first go to the this solve problems. You have to tap on here. It will checking the performance, network settings, battery and other issues. If it is there, it will show, and you can see it is up to date, it is all okay. Let's move on to the sixth trick, that is quick dial. You have to go to the phone call app, click on three dots, click on settings. Here it is. You will see the three dots, settings, and in this you will see. Friends, let's move on to the seventh trick. So here it is, the gallery. So here it is, the hidden files in the gallery, how you can hide them and unhide. So first you have to go to albums, three dots, settings, and you will see here it is view hidden albums, and from here you can hide and unhide your hidden albums from here. And let's move on to the eighth trick, press back. How you can change your icon style. So first let's open the themes. Here you can see the icons, and you will see there are classic, limitless, dreamland. You have to just tap on it and click on apply like this. And friends, you can see this one is applied. And now just press back, go to the home screen. You will see the app sign and symbols are changed. You can see this one, and previous one is this. This is how you can change it. Let's move on to the ninth trick. So press back. Friends, you can see here it is settings. First let's open the settings. You have to go to additional settings. Here it is the ninth trick. So here it is, you can see. Friends, 10th trick is you have to just open the settings. Then you have to click on additional settings. Here it is, you can see sound effects. You have to tap on it, and you will see graphic equalizer, and there are lots of tones here. Like you can just use it when you are listening to music. And if you have headphones or something, you can assign buttons also, and you can adjust the headphone report buttons also from this trick. I have made another video on this tips and tricks. You can watch it. I have given that link on my description in this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel and like our video. Thanks for watching.